Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to cover on how to find the perimeter of a composite shape. So, to find the perimeter of a composite shape, you have to find any unknown side length. As you can see here, this side, we don't know the length of it, and this side, we don't know the length of it either. A perimeter is basically the outline length of the shape. So this all add together, and that's the perimeter. So let's get straight into the first example. We're going to do this 2 times. After the first example, I'm going to draw another one with different lengths, so you guys can try it out for yourself also. Okay, so as you can see, we have 6 feet, 8 feet, 4 feet, and 11 feet. But we don't have these two sides. So we have to figure out with the other sides how long these sides are. So let's start with the bottom one, this one. With this one, we don't know the length of this side, but we can figure it out with these two, because this is a part of this side also. This goes straight up, and this is the other side. So we just have to add them together. 8 plus 6 equals 14. So now we know this side is 14 feet. Now we have to cut this side as well. As we can see, we have this side, but we don't have this one. And it goes straight up like this. So we know that this is part of this, essentially. So we have to get 11, but with these two. So something plus 4 equals 11. So all you can do, 11 minus 4 equals 7, because 7 plus 4 equals 11. So this one is 7 feet. So now we have all sides, we have to add them together. So let's start up here. 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 4 plus 14 plus 11 equals 50 feet. 50 feet. So our perimeter will be 50 feet. Oh, my bad. Our perimeter will be 50 feet. So this was the first example how to find the perimeter. I'm gonna draw another one for you guys, and we'll do that one also. So okay, so the second example. As you can see, I've drawn another one, and the lengths are different. It's a bit harder because they are bigger numbers, but we'll get through it. So as we can see, we have 6, 12, 10, and 19 centimeters. But now we have to know what this one and this one is. So let's start with this one, because this one is easier. So we have 19, and that's also part of this one, because this one is the same as this one, but this one is a bit shorter. It's missing this side. So, and we know this side, so this is right over here. So we can do 19 minus 6, or something plus 6 equals 19, and that's 13 centimeters. So now we also have this one. So now on to the last one we have to know, and that's this big one. So this one is very easy. It's this side plus this side. So 10 plus 12 equals 22 centimeters. Now all we have left to do is add them all together. So we get 22 plus 6 plus 19 plus 13 plus 10 plus 12, which equals 82 centimeters. So now we have done two examples. I hope you guys can master it now. If you want, you can always just look up composite figures or ask them in the comments. Maybe I'll make another video for you guys to master it. And you can draw figures yourself as well to 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 try them out. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.